Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply filters on your search in the Sephora app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Sephora app, then tap on the bottom to the second icon, the products. And let's say you were searching for makeup, tap on search, and here you will have the products, the makeup products. Then below the search bar you will have on the right side the filters. Tap on the filters and you can choose a category, you can choose a brand, you can choose a discount, a price. For example, let's say from 12 till 200, apply, and tap on see the results. And here you will have the products after you applied the filters. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.